Guys, so yeah, I've been having some serious technical difficulties today. Actually, for like the last 4 days now. So I bought a Kindle, which looks like this, and I got the Wi-Fi and 3G one, so I could potentially use it everywhere. But I can't get it to register that there's a Wi-Fi signal here. It just keeps saying there's 0 Wi-Fi networks, and over here it keeps saying scanning, and then it never finds anything. And I have left this scan for like half an hour. I've put it in manually, like all of the numbers, like the ISP address, the router address, some other kind of funky numbers, and I copied them all right from my iPad, but I cannot figure this out. So if anybody knows why a Kindle will not connect to the Wi-Fi network when you're practically sitting on top of the router, I would appreciate you letting me know why that is. And if I can't figure it out, I'm going to have to call customer service. And if I have to send it back, I'm not going to be a happy camper. So yeah, I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.